Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grill and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. First thing first, let's go ahead and attack this membrane. Get it on off of there, y'all. Get it on off. It really allows the seasoning to get to the meat better, y'all. That's all. But anyway, don't forget to give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell too, y'all. Hit that bell. But anyway, back to the video. Once we get that membrane removed, we're gonna cut off the thinner part of this rib. This isn't a very big rib, y'all. This is probably about a 2-pounder. Not a very big rib at all. So the thin part is gonna cook way quicker than the thicker part. So we're gonna get a little mustard on here just to hold on our rub. Make sure we get that all over everything. It's really not gonna impart any flavor into the rib. You won't taste this mustard at all, y'all. You won't taste it at all. And then we gonna come in with our Uncle Steve spicy rub. And we gonna get it on there, y'all. Get it on there. Make sure you hit all nicks and crannies. Just cause it says spicy does not mean it's gonna burn you. This is pretty good. This is a tasty rub, y'all. Real tasty. So let's get our air fryer set. Now we're gonna set our air fryer at 225 degrees for a time of 4 hours. That's right, 4 hours. So we're gonna get it on the rack and get it on in that air fryer, y'all. Now after 2 hours pass, we're gonna come back, take it out, and go ahead and get a little barbecue sauce on only the small piece, because he's gonna be ready in 3. He ain't gonna take the whole 4. Make sure you get that barbecue sauce all over. Now this is my own personal barbecue sauce, y'all. So let's go ahead and close up our air fryer. And after 3 hours, we're gonna go ahead and get that smaller piece of rib on out. And we're gonna leave that thicker piece in. Now, when you only have a half an hour to go on your 4 hours, we're gonna go ahead and get some barbecue sauce on our thick piece now, y'all. And now we done, y'all. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Take a look, y'all. What y'all think? Do I need a thumbs up? I hope I need a thumbs up. I'm telling you, try this air fryer. Hey, these ribs came out great. And give this one a taste, just so you can see that bite. But anyway, y'all, Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.